Today's brunch is a very yummy ripe plantain fritter. Yes, guys, sugary breakfast, guys, sugary brunch. All you have to do is to mix this self-raising flour, 1 cup of self-raising flour to a cup of water. Add your 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. You are going to mix this one and dip your cut plantain banana to this before you are going to fry it. If you fry food, make sure there's no kid in your kitchen. You fried egg, you fried bananas, you fried sausages, you fried fish. Make sure, guys, that no kids in the kitchen because we don't know. This is very hot oil that we're dealing here. Okay, so you're going to cut your plantain bananas like this and cut it thinly, but do not cut it through because I want this one like a fan. Look at that. Cut it thinly and open it like this, like a fan. Very interesting, huh? So look at these bananas, guys. It's not really perfect. Some of this one are broken in the end, but don't worry. We're going to dip that one into our mixture. Look at this. And if you're going to dip this one, guys, so it will be intact. Okay, and then make sure that no kids around because look at this boiling oil. It's very dangerous. And after you cook that one medium fire, you are going to sprinkle that one with confectioner sugar. Make sure that you sprinkle it when it's not hot. Otherwise, when you sprinkle the sugar when it's hot, it will melt. So leave it for 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes and then sprinkle your confectioner sugar. Oh, this is different, guys. This is a sweet breakfast than eating burrito or frying eggs or something savory. This is a different one. I like this. Well, guys, before I will dig my brunch, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye-bye.